How to use FanDuel's Odds Boost feature. In order to use FanDuel's Odds Boost feature, all you have to do is launch the FanDuel app, and then you want to make sure to log into your account. Once you log into your account, you can simply navigate to the Odds Boost section, which you can usually find from the home page, or you should be able to go within a particular game and find it. Now once done, you will be able to view the available bets that have boosted odds for better returns. Then you can choose a boosted market that interests you. Once you select the boosted bet, it will appear in your bet slip, so enter your wager amount and confirm the bet. Boosted odds typically offer higher payouts, making them an excellent opportunity to maximize potential winnings. So I hope that this video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.